So here we go again. I'm gonna have to say it. Your idea is worthless. I know I keep saying it, but your idea has no value, and that's the scam that all these invention submission places have been pulling on you. You need to realize that ideas are nothing. They're just ideas. We all have them. We have them every day. God, if I had $1 for every idea, I'd be a billionaire. So it's about taking that idea and turning it into something that people want to buy. And if it's an idea that maybe you're selling to somebody else, to a company, something like that, then you better have a mechanism in place that makes them motivated to buy it from you because it makes them a profit. You know, I've always wanted to do a film school class called Nobody Cares About Your Story, because it's the same thing. I live in Hollywood. I've been in the movie industry for years. All my friends are in the movie industry. I've actually designed stuff for very famous producers and directors, but I don't do that anymore. I do this now. I know the industry, and what I would tell film students is the same thing that I tell inventors. With film students, in every Starbucks here, we have people writing scripts. And the bottom line is, nobody cares about the story. What they want is a script that will bring an audience to the movie theater to earn money. So it's the same thing with you as an inventor. You need to come up with a product that people are going to want to buy. In this day and age, for people like us, it's about them wanting to click the mouse button and put that product in the shopping cart. That's what we're building products for. We're building products so that we invoke action. It's another term that I've used quite a bit. We invoke action by getting the person viewing our website or eBay or Amazon or whatever to click the button and put it in the shopping cart, and then go and get their credit card and enter in all that information. So let's go back to this idea. Ideas have no value. It's the product. It's the way you implement the idea that is the part that's valuable. Going out there and getting your provisional patent and then sending out a color brochure to people that are supposedly going to pay you for licensing, it's the lazy way out. Really, what are you going to make? Let's just say the very few people that do get these licensing deals. In this day and age, we're talking about $50, $60 products at the most, you know, sitting on a store shelf somewhere. And then you're talking about the profit from that. You have no idea how this works with the big box companies. I know it firsthand. You make a product, you fill the shelves, and then they can take back everything. All the returns are on you as the person supplying the product. The losses in that alone from returns in this day and age is ridiculous. Not to mention that you're not making that much on each product as you're paying for the distribution center, all the rules where you have to have so many on hand every month, you have to deliver in a certain amount of time. You have no idea what it takes for me just to fill my products. I'm dealing with suppliers all over the world. The amount of money I'm moving to pay for those parts, all the different delays that happen. We have Chinese New Year. We have other things going on in Europe where I get some of my parts from. Japan, I'm constantly waiting for parts. Even here in the US. Talk about slow. My local suppliers here in California are some of the slowest. So it's not even on me. Sure, I could even inventory more, but let me tell you a little quality problem that I have. No matter what I put on the shelf, sells out. So I'm constantly fighting that. The money coming in, the money going out, the managing of inventory. But again, that's the good problem to have. That's because my ideas turn into tangible products, and that's where the value is. And you need to think the same way, because I hate to tell you, but your idea is worthless.